What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have another room tour for you guys. My roommate moved out, so I rearranged. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, we're gonna start this in the hallway. This is my whiteboard. So let's go in. Here is the overview of me room. Yeah, if y'all don't remember from my last video, I definitely have my desk and that thing from IKEA over here, but you know, I wanted my mirror, so why not? So we're just gonna start where we always start, the entranceway. So yeah, we have the door with the two closets. This is my closet, and then at the top I have the good vibes sign because good vibes. Then we have like twinkling lights, and those have like 9 different settings. It's crazy. But here's my closet. So I have a lot in here, that's why it just looks so jumbled, but I have like this little shoe thing. Then here's the actual closet. I have my shoes up there because they're I just cleaned them. And then I just keep my Uggs and some shoes that, you know, have no place. Next, my new favorite spot of my room, and I call it the selfie area. Okay, so we have the rug. I'm pretty sure this rug is from TJ Maxx. Pretty darn sure. Then we have, then I have this little ottoman thing. This is where I keep my food. My mother made this, and she made the pillow too, so she, you know, it's original. This pillow is from TJ Maxx. I love it. Then we have the mirror. This mirror is definitely a Winthrop original. A little. Then I have these lights that I just put up last night. The lights are from Target. Then I have these two pictures, my dog and my dad. The picture frames are from At Home. This Dare to Be You sign is from TJ Maxx, and my ring light is from Amazon. It's the newer brand. But yeah, I really like this section. Oh, and then like the selfies will come even better with the ring light on, so it's just like popping. But yeah, then we have this. Dang, why do I keep saying we? Then I have this whiteboard. Is the camera straight? Maybe my whiteboard isn't straight. I don't know. We just have a whiteboard, and I really have nothing on it because I just put it up this morning. But you see my goals: no procrastination, gym positive, keep room clean, and be more open. Yeah. So now we're gonna move on to my bedding area. The best part, I would have to say. So my bedding is from TJ Maxx. This pillow is from TJ Maxx. This of course came with my bedding. This is from TJ Maxx. This blanket up under is from Kate Spade. My sheets are also Kate Spade. And then this sheet is just like a regular sheet. Probably, I think it's from Target to hide my stuff. But up here, these 3 pieces up here are original. My mother made them. And this picture, this portrait, whatever you want to call it, the futurist female, that is from TJ Maxx. This is an original Carter piece. You know, my mom made it. And the J, I forgot where we got it from. You know, no flex. But it was originally brown and like bronze, but it didn't match my room, and it was a J, of course. So my mom like painted it rose gold and silver. And my mom made this headboard. And then around my bed, as y'all can see, I have these lights that, you know, I just plug up. Okay. Then we get to like these 3 chest areas. Yeah, those are just chests, LOL, from At Home. Each 3 of them have different stuff. This little container thing, with my whatchamacallits, this is from At Home. This corsage, and then my crown, that's from Prom, and my mom made my corsage. This LOL, funny story. This is a bottle that we got like 8 bottles from Goodwill, and we were like, dang, I could put flowers in those. Plus I gave them to some of the girls in the hall because I just had way too many. And this necklace is from one of my friends after a party. I just thought to keep it. So yeah, that is all my bed area. My favorite spot. Next, we have the window to the wall, or the door, the wall. All right, so my desk area. So of course I was watching originals. I got some pens, my case, my Apple Watch, my Yeti, my mirror, my jewelry thing, another bottle that I was gonna put flowers in for spring, a water bottle, AirPods, my planner. This blanket is from TJ Maxx. Oh, well. And the curtains, I believe, are also from TJ Maxx. Like I said, it's too hot. Next, we have this shelf. As many of y'all know, this shelf is definitely from IKEA. But at the top, these like glass pieces are all from At Home. So At Home. This one's more of a like a little storage thing that I have nothing in. This is from At Home. This is from TJ Maxx, and I got it because it matched, and it's a Jayde. These are my glasses, one pair of them. The containers from At Home, all my makeup brushes, my Beats pill, perfumes, lip glosses, and like nail polishes. Then at the bottom is my makeup. So I have like a bag, 2 bags of makeup, and then some spray back there. So, and then this rug, I have no idea where it's from. So yeah, so this side of the room is a roommate side of the room. If I would have had a roommate, this would have been their side. You know, they just got a bed, standard desk. Then I have a refrigerator. This refrigerator, at Winthrop, they give you refrigerator microwaves. A micro fridge is combined. So that is mine. Then at the top, I just have another thing from At Home, and then some Target plates, bowls, and cups. Then I have my Amazon Alexa. Alexa be doing the joke. Then over here, I have this Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You reminder poster thing. And then I have my keys and 2 hooks because my roommate thought it was a good idea, which was a good idea to have like a key hook. And then in this closet, I have nothing because I can't use none of a roommate side. But all I have here is a vacuum cleaner because if I do get a roommate, the vacuum cleaner's staying in there. So yeah, this is my room. So if you guys like this updated room tour for 2019, definitely is 2019. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you when I catch you.